This next lesson goes a little bit more into some things about trapezoids that we should be aware of. So, for example, the altitude of an isosceles trapezoid creates two congruent right triangles. So if we look, here are our altitudes. And because we know that these two are the same, right? They're the same height. We then have the same hypotenuse, right, in this right triangle. By HL, you know that the triangles have to be congruent. So because of this, you know that these pieces must also be congruent. Now, how do we figure out what those pieces are? Well, this 14 inches is referring to the entire thing. This 6 is referring to this portion. So if you take the 14 and subtract 6, you're left with 8. So the 8 is the distance of both of the greens. So you divide it by 2. So each of these will be 4, because if this is 6, 4 plus 6 plus 4 gives you 14. Just something that you need to be aware of for some problems that will pop up. Now, additionally, we have something going on with the median. So the median connects the midpoint of the legs. It is parallel to the bases and equal to the average of the bases. So when you do the average, that is when you are adding the two together and then dividing by 2. So in this case, if we want to figure out what the median is, your two bases are 18 plus 30 and then divide by 2. So you have 48 divided by 2, which is 24. Now in this case, they give you the median. The median must be equal to the bases and then divided by 2. So let's plug in. Base 1 is x plus 5. We add 6x minus 3, and then we'll have to divide that by 2. So let's first simplify. So we have 7x plus 2 over 2. And now we just have an algebraic equation. Multiply by 2 on both sides. So these cancel. 7x plus 2 is equal to 44. 7x is equal to 42. Divide by 7. X is equal to 6. And then the rest of these are just asking you to practice mostly with the mid-segment theorem. So make sure that you are using the fact that the mid-segment must be equal to the average of the bases. The bases, again, are the parallel sides.